sarili na lang namin, mga mukha namin magaganda. Kami naman kayo! Yan lang ang may bibigay namin sa'yo, kaya pasensya na. Happy birthday ulit! Happy birthday, Kuya! Sana mag-isip kayo.
Wala pa. 1, 3, gawa nito. Birthday ni Franco! Birthday ni Franco! Birthday ni Franco ngayon! Get out! Happy birthday, #Franco! Thank you for inspiring us. We wish you all the best. We're always here to support you. We got your back. We heart you from your Franco Babies family.
Birthday, Franco. Regards lang, wala akong masabi ngayon eh. Kasi wholesome dapat, di ba? Pero alam mo na yun. Just my eyebrows, di ba? Happy birthday, pare.
Birthday, Franco. Inuman na!
Pangin kita. Dahil pa utang ha. Kaya ako babalik. Happy birthday.
Yung PRF ha.
Happy birthday, Franco. Nandito tayo sa ating favorite smoking
The usual.
pwesto. Ikaw na lang yung kulang. Bumalik ka naman minsan, no? Magpakita ka. Tapos, ang libre ka din na lunch. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best.
Ano pala sabihin ko? Happy birthday, man. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, bro. Sana palagi kang healthy para hindi ka mukhang may sakit.
What's up, Franco? I'm happy birthday, and sana lahat ng blessings na makarating sa'yo. Alam mo, lagi ako nandito para sa'yo, and mahal na mahal kita, pare.
Frankie, happy birthday. Wala akong masabi. God bless you. Ingat ka palagi. I wish you all the best.
Happy birthday kay Frankie. Hello, Frank. Thank you sa pagiging sobrang bait sa amin. Thank you sa pakikinig sa akin lagi pag nag-emote ako. Stay humble as you are. Bilib na bilib ako sa iyo sa skills mo, kahit ganun ka nakagaling, sobrang humble mo pa din. So God bless, Frankie. Ay ka mag-ingat.
Hi Franco, happy birthday sa'yo. Hope this season ng God bless. Sana maka-work kita at sana magkita tayo ulit. Yun tayo ha. Love you, bro. So Franco, galing mo sumayo ha. Throw mo naman ako minsan. Wish ko sana maging successful ka sa buhay mo. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Happy birthday.
Frankie! Ayan. Kalahin mo, birthday ka pa pala. Joke lang. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Alam mo naman yun eh. And have a blast. Alam mo yan.
Franco, happy birthday, bro. Congrats una sa pagiging hashtag. Tanggap ka namin ng buong buo. Magaling mo sumayaw. Sometimes, pupunta kami sa'yo para sa tulong. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a good example. Minsan i-lead mo yung mga bago para i-guide sila. Ayan, tuloy mo lang. I see a good future for you, pare. Happy birthday sa'yo. Kaya ka madaming pansin para long life.
Franco, happy birthday. Kahit malakas trip mo dito, mahal naman ka lang yung hashtags. Happy birthday, bro.
Hello Franco, ayan bro, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging successful ka palalo. Galingan mo lalo sumayo at idol kita sumayo kasi nakita ko sumayo. Pagpati mo lang, God bless. Bye-bye.
Hey, buddy! Hey, happy birthday sa'yo, Frankie, and God bless you. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo and maging successful ka pa sa career mo, syempre, and maging masaya ka pa na kasama kami. God bless you. Ayun, sana mapakabait ka palalo.
Hello Franco, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maging successful ka pa sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Kung may mga problema ka, dito lang kami. Basta brothers tayo talaga. So, happy birthday.
Hey Franco, I hope you appreciate the friendship with Mark. Kasi love ka talaga niya. Happy birthday.
Hey Franco, happy birthday. Miss na kita. Naalala ko lagi tayo nasa bahay mo. Nagtatawanan tayo. Nakakamiss lang. Tapos minsan late na tayo natutulog. Tapos minsan nagpipizza pa tayo, nagka-cards pa tayo Lila Lini at saka Ninam. Ay, thank you. Sobrang hindi ko in-expect na magiging ganito tayo ka-close. Pero thank you sa lahat ng natutunan ko sa'yo. At saka sana may natutunan ka din sa akin. Sorry din kung ganito yung filter ko kasi matagal na ito nire-request ni Nam. Ngayon ko lang naalala. Sobrang haggard ko ngayon. Kaya ito lang. Pero sana pag may free time ka, magkita ulit tayo. Sana maging okay yung birthday mo. Sana lahat ng wishes mo magkatotoo. Sobrang proud ko for you. Sobrang thankful ko na naging friend kita, Franco. Sobrang ang bait-bait mo. Lagi tayo nagkakasundo at nagkakatawanan. Pero thank you. Basta ingat ka palagi. Be happy of what you're doing. Isipin mo lang, everything will be fine. Happy birthday ulit, Franco. I miss you so much. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Franco! Happy birthday! Mayroon akong sasabihin sa'yo. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo at sobrang proud na proud yung
Galing mo
girlfriend ko
sumayaw,
sa'yo.
galing ng choreo.
Sana yung pinapakita mo sa amin lahat hanggang dulo, mabait ka pa din, ha? Lalo na kayo na.
Hanggang dulo, mabait ha.
Love you! Love ka namin! God bless you, mama!
Back out.
Ang dilim naman. Ayun na! Happy birthday kayo, Franco. Ayun. Oo. Ayun, thank you kasi naalagaan mo yung best friend ko. Ayun, sana wag ka magbabago. Sana mabait ka. Kung ano yung ugali mo ngayon, sana yun pa rin hanggang pag nagtagal. And ayun, sana more bonding pa and more blessings tsaka projects. Ayun. We love you!
Okay.
Hoy, Franco, happy birthday! Balita ko, birthday mo daw
Sana maging masaya ka pa sa life mo, more projects, at sana stay strong kayo nila.
Sana, tagal kayo kasi forever na kayo.
Yes.
Mag-pray kami kagad talaga.
Di ba na? Di ba? Di ba? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay. Thank you!
Oh, Miko! Happy birthday nga pala. Kamusta na, kapatid? Mukhang okay yung career natin, ah. Sige, good luck dyan. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan. And happy birthday. Miss you, bro.
Happy birthday, Migo. May all your wishes come true. Good luck with hashtag. Mwah. Show me how you hashtag.
Mix, happy birthday sa'yo and enjoy your day and God bless and good luck sa career mo, man. Kumbaga, dito kami always support you, man. Yun, enjoy and God bless. Peace.
Happy birthday, Miko. Galingan mo maging hashtag Hataw Heartthrob. Happy birthday. See you soon, brother. Cheers.
Hala! Sarap sa pakin eh. Joke lang. Miko, happy birthday. Yun lang. Tuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Masaya ako para sa'yo. Okay? I love you, bro. Peace. Kita-kits soon pag-uwi.
Yun. Happy birthday sa'yo, bro, and I love you so much. And sorry kung late na tong sinend kong video na to kasi medyo busy lang. Yun. Basta pagigihan mo palagi, bro. Andito lang ako, nandito lang yung WhatsApp, message mo lang kami. And meron tayong group doon. So, ayun. I'm so happy for you, bro. And enjoy your life. Enjoy your fucking life. As I enjoy myself with this beer. Encore. I love you, bro, and I'm so proud of you. Sana maging proud ka rin sa sarili mo. And you found yourself. Yeah? Peace, bro, and salute. I love you, bro. Love, peace, unity, and having fun.
Miko Lumanlan, happy birthday, bro. Kita-kits soon. God bless. Ingat.
Yo, Gigi boy, Miko.
Hi, Miko.
Happy birthday, brother.
Happy 30th birthday, Miko.
Mahabol ka sa edad, ah. Keep it up and congrats sa hashtag and keep living it.
Let's do some schmeck.
Yes.
Let's do some schmeck.
Yes.
Hey, Nico. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi. Love you. God bless.
Yo, Mix. Happy birthday, man.
Hi, Pops. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best for your birthday. And sana matupad mo na lahat ng dreams mo. And I'm so happy na nasa showbiz ka na. Yan, sige, sayaw pa more. So, happy birthday. Wala masyadong special message. Ano na lang, personal na lang. Thank you. Happy birthday.
What's up, Noy? Bro, it's your day. It's your day, bro. First time ko na ganito, pero bro, wala rin naman ako sasabihin eh. Pero just enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Do whatever you want. Takin na, sayaw to, takin na.
Sayaw to death.
Yeah, bro. Cheers, man. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday, Mix.
Hi, what's up?
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Stay happy, stay successful, stay good. Stay good. And know that we're always here, no matter what. Happy birthday.
Cheers, bro.
Hey bro, what's up? Happy birthday. Franco, Franco, Miko. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo sa lahat ng mga achievements na ginagawa mo sa buhay. Keep it up. Sana maging masaya ka sa bago mong work ngayon. And always enjoy. Be humble. You know, I'm a big bro of you. So, if you need anything, andito lang ako. Love you, bro. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Miko. I love you. I will die.
Hi, Kuya Miko, aka #Franco. Happy birthday, and may many more blessings come to your life.
Hi, Kuya Mix. Happy birthday, bro. I hope to see you in the near future, and good luck with your career, man.
Happy birthday, Mick. Wishing you all the best, and God bless. We love you from Ireland.
Miko boy, happy birthday. All the best. #Franco. Woo!
Hi, Mix. #Franco. Happy birthday.
Hi, Miko. Happy birthday.
We wish you all the best in everything you do. Happy birthday. We love you. #Franco.
#Franco.
Hey, Mick. Happy birthday. Regards to Nam.
Hi, Miko. Happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. We love you. Bye.
Yo! Happy birthday, Miko!
Happy birthday, Kuya. We're so proud of you for following your dreams, so keep doing what you're doing.
And we really miss you, and we hope that we can see you soon. Hopefully next year.
Yeah, hopefully next
We
year.
love you so much, and it's so cool having a famous cousin now because I have people here saying that they're your fans and everything.
Your family will always be your #1 fan, so we're always here for you
Always.
to love and support you. So we wish you a really happy birthday, and
We love you.
good luck with everything.
Happy birthday, Miko. Happy birthday, #Franco. Happy birthday, #HatawHeartLove.
Hey.
Happy birthday, Miko. We love you. Mwah. Mwah.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mix. Enjoy your day and follow your
Hi,
dreams.
Kuya. Happy birthday. I hope you have a great one. I love you so much.
Hi, Franco. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mick. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. We love you very much.
Hi, Miko. Happy birthday. I hope you're enjoying your new endeavor as a new #member. I love you so much.
To my most favorite person, happy birthday, my love. I wish you the best and all the happiness in life. I hope you like the surprise. Sabi mo, wag na ako gumastos, mag-effort, or what. Pero love, syempre, hindi naman pwede yun eh. It's your day and I want to make it extra special for you. And you deserve it all. All of my efforts, my love, the surprises. And I love doing everything that makes you happy, and seeing you happy makes me happy too. You know what, love? I'm so incredibly proud of the things you have accomplished and what you have yet to accomplish still. You're gonna make it. I know you're gonna make it. I believe in you in everything that you do. I'm always here for you to support you. Okay? I love you so much and enjoy your day. Tsaka open the gift na. Yan, happy 26th birthday, love. I love you.